My name is Rashida Lovely, and I am the CEO of Afree. I am also the inventor of the Bloxi and bloop device. Integrations of systems is our focus. We look at homes as if it's a living thing. It has a heart, it has a brain, and it has a nervous system. Bloxi is merged with the electrical panel and it serves as a juncture. The AI system will do a deep dive and it will learn about the resident's energy use, and it will also focus on the system's vibrations. This will help it self-diagnose, and if it finds that it has any issues, it will attempt to self-repair. And for whatever reason it's not able to self-repair, it will escalate and it will bring in a repair team. This is done completely outside of the knowledge of the resident. We have acquired land and properties across 3 sites to launch our pilot affordable green tech housing project. Strategically located near anchor institutions such as South Intermediate Public School. These sites are ideal for fostering stable, connected communities. This initiative aims to demonstrate that housing and living costs can be significantly reduced through the strategic integration of advanced technologies, creating a new model for affordable living that prioritizes both environmental responsibility and economic accessibility.
My name is Najima Lewis. I am the Chief Technology Officer of Afree Foundation. With over 20 years combined experience in IT, cryptography, and cybersecurity. My job as the Chief Technology Officer is to advise and oversee the deployment of the Bloop and Bloxi devices. Bloxi Ledger for optimized operations and protocol is a pocket-sized sensor module that sits in a sub-panel box in the home of every tenant. The Bloop not only securely routes encrypted IoT data between nodes, but also provides residents with a reliable Wi-Fi access point. The Bloop's self-healing, peer-to-peer network automatically reroutes around offline devices to maintain both sensor and internet connectivity. In an emergency, the Bloop preserves critical comms by prioritizing lifeline traffic and enabling direct peer messaging even if the wider internet is down. Each Bloxi utility device can push real-time alerts such as evacuation or air quality warnings to every tenant's Bloop device or personal phone, turning every home into both a smart sensor and a community lifeline.
Hi, my name is Sierra. I'm 23.
Hi, my name is Shaniqua and I'm 26.
Hi, my name is Justin. I'm 21.
This affordable housing program will help me and my family establish a better lifestyle for our kids.
The affordable housing program can help me and my family with cheaper rent, free utilities, and also free internet. Helps me not worry about extra bills and maintain the household.
The affordable housing program can also help students like me with the opportunity for housing.
Hi, my name is Farah Sharafant. I'm the Senior Faith Mentor of For Humanity Ministries, as well as the President and Founder of Co-op America National Chamber of Commerce. This program would greatly benefit the participants of our programs by providing them with free utilities as well as free internet.
Hi, my name is Holly Spees. I'm the founder of the Susquehanna Warrior Reserve. Our goal is to develop solutions to the rising homeless crisis here in northeastern Pennsylvania. This housing project is going to secure a pathway to affordable and accessible housing for everyone.
Our goal is to harness technology as a force for connection, building systems that foster positive, meaningful interactions and support individuals in leading dignified, empowered lives. By integrating smart tools into everyday environments, we aim to strengthen communities, enhance resilience, and promote well-being across all walks of life.